Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into your Gmail without a verification code. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So go to Gmail on your new browser and then from here go to login. Once you go log in, you're going to sign in with any account that you would like. So for example, this one. Now once you do that, it's going to ask for the passkey. Now if you do not remember your password, then you'll simply go and click on try another way. And now from here, there are going to be three multiple ways. You can either enter the password that you have, use your passkey, or try another way. Now the verification is going to be use your passkey. So we're going to simply click on try another way right here. And now from here, it's going to provide you with more options. There's going to be two previous phone number that you might have that they can send the phone to. And you can click on tab yes or on your phone or tablet. This one you will not need verification code. All you need to do is to have this account logged into any other device. If you do have that, then once you click on this one, it's going to simply send a notification on your phone where you are already logged in. And so once you click the button, it's going to log you in directly without the need for a verification code. Any other way, then you can click on try another way to sign in. And now from here, you're going to click on more tips to recover your account. And then you're simply going to click on account recovery page. And now from here, you're going to add your email. And then from here, once you click on next, it's going to show you ways to recover the account. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.